The future is now. Mastering the present continuous tense for future arrangements. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of English grammar, using the present continuous tense for future arrangements. Yes, you heard it right. Sometimes, we use the present tense to talk about the future. Let's dive in and understand how this works. In English grammar, the present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening now or around now. This tense is formed with the present tense of to be, am, is, are, and the present participle, ing form, of the verb. For example, I am reading a book. However, the present continuous tense is not only confined to current actions. Surprisingly, we also use it to discuss future arrangements. These are plans or events that have been scheduled for the future. For example, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. Although this event will occur in the future, we use the present continuous tense because it's an arranged plan. To formulate sentences in this context, follow the pattern: subject plus am, is, are plus verb ing plus future time reference. For instance, we are leaving for Paris next week. The key here is to always include a future time reference like tomorrow, next week, on Friday, etc., to make it clear that you're talking about a future event. It's important to note that we use the present continuous for future arrangements when plans are definite or certain. These plans are often organized or scheduled before the time of speaking. For example, I am starting my new job next Monday. We wouldn't use this tense for uncertain plans or intentions. Lastly, be aware of the distinction between the present continuous tense and other forms used for the future like will or going to. Will is used for decisions made at the moment of speaking, promises, offers, or predictions, while going to is for intentions or predictions based on present evidence. And that's a wrap. Now you understand how to use the present continuous tense for future arrangements in English. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering these future plans in no time. Until next time, happy learning!